I broke the chains before they choked me out. Now I pay close attention, really learn the code. I learned to read the map before I hit the road.
Hey yo, I know you never heard this before, but I'd rather lose a fight than miss the war. And I ain't wishing competition or fishing for it. I'm just living in a system, conditions are poor. I've been lost in the rhythm and misinformed. Too many late nights hitting the liquor store. Too many bad decisions, half-ass attempts. No sweat, no fear, no blood, no tears. I go hard, and I ain't making no excuse. I'm overdue, I don't do what I'm supposed to do. Cause you can think about it, man, we're supposed to lose. It ain't all picture perfect, ocean views. No, I was a first-class rookie, taking out bullies in my all-black hoodie. Man of mystery, you know the history. Get it or forget it, cause poof, I'm out of here.
I read the rules before I broke them. I broke the chains before they choked me out. And I pay close attention, really learned the code. I learned to read the map before I hit the road.
Nobody's gonna see me coming. Nobody's gonna hear a sound. No matter how hard they try, no stopping me since I found.
Man a ninja, man a ninja, man a ninja, man a ninja.
Hey yo, I've been high